Hi, welcome to the video. I'm Paisley Mercury and today we're doing a project pan update. This is the first update of this project and I'm so excited. We got everything in here to talk about and some extra fun goodies. So with this project pan, I'm basically trying my best to use up what I have and show some love to products that I may not have focused more on. So through this project pan, I'm getting to be really familiar with these products, some of which I like more than others, and I'm sharing with you my progress. Make sure to check out the intro after this if you haven't watched it already, and let's get into it. First, I'll start off with this Buxom Power Line Plumping Liner. This is in the shade Dangerous Dolly. Y'all, this is basically done. And I'm really sad about it because I did not get to use it as much as I would have hoped, because even though I was using it a lot, I've made so much progress because it broke. So this is it rolled all the way up, but even then, the little nub right here, it got stuck in the top of this, and this is the sadness that happens during a project pan, is when you're panning a project you really like and then half of it, like half of the product, gets lost to some unforeseen circumstances like dropping it. I don't remember dropping it. It like sometimes these things happen because it's rolling around in your purse, so on and so forth. So I'm really sad about it. The time has come where it's still almost done. I can still use it. You're gonna still see it in this project pan, but if I haven't finished it, or if the last of it doesn't get lost, which I hope it doesn't, I'll tell you what I'm going to use in its place, what I'm going to roll into this project pan to continue the project pan. So when I finish something, when I've made adequate progress and I've decided to add something else in its place, that is the rolling situation. I'm going to be replacing this with the other Buxom Power Plumping Line in the shade Rich Rose. This is really pretty. It's kind of like an orangey pink. So with these two, they're really helping me avoid purchasing the Too Faced plumping lip liners, the newer ones that they've come out with. So I haven't used those. They are really intriguing to me, and the colors that I want are really similar to this. So I'm hoping that me continuing to use this up will keep me focused on this instead of trying to buy new ones when I already have ones that I need to show love to. So I'm really sad that this one's basically almost done. My progress update on this is basically nearly finished by trial of fire, which I'm sad about. And this is one of the ones that I really liked the most, so I'm kind of broken up about it. But moving on, this one I'm going to show you next because it is the most satisfying to me in terms of progress, and this is the Murad Essential C SPF 30 moisturizer. Let me show you. I took, not on all of these, but on this one in particular, I did take a progress note, and here we are. So we started off here in March, and this is where we're at today. That's a good amount of use, and I'm really excited about it. I'm so proud of myself. I wasn't sure how this was gonna go because this runs into my eyes. It stings a little bit. As long as I don't wear it for too long, I have a pretty good experience with it, and I just wash it off relatively soon after applying it, so I won't wear it a full day, and I've been liking it. I do apply quite a bit, and it's able to lay so nicely under my makeup, but I'm excited that I'm making progress on it. And even though I don't love it, as long as I don't wear it for too long, I'm able to use it comfortably and happily. Next, I'll show you all the lip products that I had in this one. This project pan is particularly lip heavy, and I'm really sad to say that on my NYX lip gloss in the shade Oyster Girl, I haven't made hardly any progress. When I marked the note card for this one, because I only did 2 note cards, of course, it actually looked like more product had been in there than when I started. And I'm hoping that that's just due to product settling, but I need to use this more. I did use it like 2 or 3 times because while I should have been wearing this one a little bit more. I was wearing the Covergirl Yummy Gloss instead, and this is really pretty. I'm gonna get more use out of it, but this month I didn't make hardly any change. With my Revlon Super Lustrous lipstick in the shade Pink Cognito, I made some progress, not as much as I would have liked, because again, the Yummy Gloss was really taking my attention, but I did get a good amount of use on it, and I just threw this in my purse, used it as a lip balm, and it looked really lovely. My Lanolips 101 Ointment in Strawberry has been getting a lot of attention, especially at nighttime, and I am just further solidified in my love for this. I haven't gotten tired of it. I haven't gotten exhausted of it. I look forward to every time I see it. I just think perfect, fantastic. My lips are going to be soothed, moisturized, and plump. Not from any plumping action, but just plump because they're gonna look so healthy and juicy. And for that, I am very grateful to have this in my project pan. I've noticed that I'm squeezing out a little bit more each time, but so far it's not over yet. We're still on the dance floor. We're still having a good time. No one's gotten tired yet. So that's my update on this Lanolips ointment. Of course, my absolute favorite, the Covergirl Yummy Gloss in the shade Havana Good Time. This is so pretty. I've been making pretty good progress on this one. You can't tell very much now. The product does cover the tube very well. This shade has just been so pretty. I've been purchasing a few more shades of this, which now that I think of it, isn't such a good idea because I should be dedicating more time to this one, but the formula is just so pretty and it was sold out for such a long time. I finally got my hands on my Straw Booty, and I also got Let's Get Physical, and I also got Main Squeeze. I think that's the one it's called, like the sheer orangey one. I just like it. I like it. I know that a lot of people think these are overhyped, and I can totally see why, but to me, this has to be one of the most exciting lip products at the drugstore right now. If you have a really exciting drugstore lip product recommendation, please let me know. I'm just really loving this, and I want to know if you love it. Like, what's your favorite shade? Have you had your eye on any of these? Are you totally over it? I also want to know if you're totally over it. I want to know your reasons why. So yeah, so far this is in my project pan. I can't really tell very much how much, but I would say it's about here. So not full, but we still got a long way to go. Now this next product is opaque, so you can't see it, but here is the Collab No Flaws Liquid Full Coverage Concealer, and this I have not been using as much as I thought I would because it's looking a little bit different than I anticipated. As I've mentioned several times on my channel, I love the Revlon Color Stay Full Coverage Concealer, and I was hoping that this would be a good accompaniment to this, but it really hasn't turned out to be, so I'm trying to figure out the best way to use this. I haven't really decided if it's too dry or if it's too dewy. It's kind of been a toss-up every time, so I need to really double check the variables going on. So the length of time that I'm wearing it, what I have as a base underneath. I want to make sure that I'm using the same sunscreen so that way I can get a hold of this and figure out what it is that I feel about it, because I used to be obsessed and lately I just have lost that loving feeling. So it's only been used a few times and I just need to investigate now. This next one, I'm really excited to share my progress because it is nearly there. It's nearly there. This is the Peter Thomas Roth Anti-Aging Cleansing Oil Makeup Remover. It's been fine. I'm really excited about it because it's almost over, but I'm ready to get back to my DHC cleansing oil. It's been good while it's lasted, but the packaging, it's kind of oily right now. I don't know what's been going on with it, but it squirts out really harshly, and I'm not a big fan of that. I'm making sure to get the use out of it, and I'm not overusing it to rush it out of my project, but I'll definitely be needing a new cleansing oil soon. So I'm excited for that. Look at how there's definitely not going to be anything left in the next video update. So the next product that I'm going to roll in, it's not exactly a makeup remover, but in terms of skincare, I wanted to add another item. So I'm rolling this one. I'm going to finish this one out, and I'm rolling in this product. This is the Ordinary 100% plant-derived Squalane. I'm really excited to get familiar with this one. So Squalane is a moisturizer and it's a hydrator. So it moisturizes the skin. It's nothing too oily in appearance. It's been in my collection for a little while, so I'm ready to use it up, get it out of my collection, but still show some love to it before it leaves. Even though my skin's kind of dry combination, I think that this will work really well for this summer. Another product that I practically finished, I have basically a quarter of a use left, and that is the Maui Moisture Shine and Awapui Conditioner for dull hair. So let me show you. It's all the way down here. There's just like a cap full, and I've really enjoyed the last of it. It is really quite moisturizing. It doesn't stay on my hair very long. It doesn't have any silicones. It's no sulfates. This was really great for my curly girl hair routine. I liked it. I'm kind of glad it's over. I'm not going to repurchase. I honestly don't even know if this is available anymore, but I do like a lot of the Maui Moisture products. The Heal and Hydrate shampoo and conditioner set has done really well by me. So I'm glad that I got to enjoy every last drop of it. And while this one is going to be leaving, and you'll see this in my next empties, the next product I'm adding in is the Bedhead Curls Rock Amplifier. So this is their Mega Shaping Cream for definition and enhancement. So with my naturally curly hair, when I want to wear my hair natural, I like to add something that has a little bit of hold, something that can add a little bit more definition to my curls. So with this, I've really liked it. I've made quite a bit of progress, and on this airless pump, it's really easy to see the progress. So here it is. So at the bottom of the airless pump is here, that airless pump mechanism, but the product itself is here. So I'm guessing that I probably have like 5 or 6 pumps left, and I probably use about 2. So there's about 3 uses here. And since I only wash my hair about once a week, it's possible that I could finish this by the next time you see me, or it might be in for another month. We'll see in the next update. Now, to finish this update out, we're going to talk about my last Project Pan product, and that is the Coppertone Glow SPF 50 with Shimmer. I have used this twice. I'm really excited because I applied this all over. I applied this on my legs. I applied this on my arms. I applied this before I drove to Chicago, so I knew I was going to have a few hours drive, and I wanted to make sure that I had sun protection on my body, and this made it fun. And it's just preparing me for summer. We're finishing out spring right now. It's in that weird spot where it's kind of too cold, but some days it's unbelievably hot. It feels like it's summer already. So with this product, I'm just really excited to get into it. We're about here, and I'm excited to keep using it and just feel the summer vibes. So yeah, that is everything in my Project Pan update. Thank you so much for following along with me. Make sure to check out that first video if you haven't already, and I'll link my Project Pan playlist down below. If you enjoyed this video while you were watching, don't forget to subscribe. My name is Paisley Mercury. Make sure to let me know you liked it too by hitting the thumbs up, and let me know in the comments what you're currently using up. If you have a Project Pan, I want to know everything about it, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye!